No legitimate money game can guarantee you'll never verify your identity, but several apps let you sign up, start playing, and earn rewards without asking for ID during the first session. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 popular apps with simple sign-up processes, when verification usually happens, and what to expect before you cash out. The first app is GFreeCashIn. You can create an account using an email address or supported sign-in options and immediately start completing game offers. Most users don't need identity verification, just to earn rewards. Verification may be requested later for larger withdrawals, account security, or fraud prevention, so don't assume you'll never be asked for it. Next is GFreeCashGiraffe. Android users can install the app, choose from a list of sponsored games, and start earning coins based on gameplay. The onboarding process is straightforward, and many users begin earning without uploading an ID. If the platform detects unusual activity or requires additional security checks, it can request verification before processing certain payouts. Third is JustPlaying. After installing the app, you can start playing games from its library almost immediately. Your rewards build automatically as you complete gameplay. Like other legitimate reward apps, JustPlay may require additional verification in specific situations. But it doesn't typically ask every new user to verify their identity before they can start playing. The fourth option is Scrambly. You earn by reaching milestones inside partner games instead of playing a single title. Creating an account is quick, and you can begin completing offers without an identity check during sign-up. Verification may still be required later to protect the platform against fraudulent accounts or suspicious withdrawals. The final app is RewardedPlaying. Android users can install the app, select recommended games, and collect points that can be exchanged for gift cards. The registration process is simple, and you can begin earning right away. As with every legitimate rewards platform, additional verification can happen if needed for account security. The key point is this: no verification required usually applies to getting started, not to every payout forever. Legitimate platforms sometimes request identity checks to prevent fraud, especially before processing certain withdrawals. Choose an app with a payment method you already use, complete offers normally, and avoid creating multiple accounts, since that often triggers security reviews. If this video helped you find a legit option, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on the best real money game apps for 2026.